Ever feel like the media industry changes faster than you can scroll? Making an impact is not just about talent, but having the right tools.
And that is where SCMC comes in. It's where cutting-edge technology meets creativity to shape the future of media.
Take the AV Studio, for example. It's a fully equipped setup where students learn the ins and outs of audio and video production. The studio is designed to replicate industry environments, ensuring hands-on experience in everything, from recording to editing high-quality projects.
The pre- and post-production labs are another game changer. Students dive deep into planning, editing, and mastering the content. These labs are equipped with tools, giving the students a head start into mastering the production cycle.
Journalism students have access to labs tailored for news writing, reporting, and editing. The tools align with modern newsroom standards, creating a dynamic space where students refine their storytelling skills while staying up to date with the industry demands.
For photography enthusiasts, there's the Photo Studio, helping students understand lighting, angles, and storytelling. This helps students transform creative ideas into impactful visuals, which is crucial in today's media landscape.
The computer lab is another cornerstone. It's equipped with the latest software used in global media projects. Whether editing, designing, or managing digital campaigns, students gain hands-on experience with industry-standard applications.
What makes these even better is that the facilities are tied to experiential learning. Field trips, real-world collaborations, and projects turn theory into practice, preparing the students for the dynamic media industry demands.
There's also a focus on global exposure, with exchange programs and opportunities to connect with international professionals. These initiatives help students build a global perspective, which is very essential in today's interconnected media world.
SCMC Pune sets the stage for its students to lead. After all, when the tools, training, and opportunities are world-class, future has no limit.